In today's video, I'll show you how to sync Calendly with CRM systems step by step. This integration helps you automatically send new leads, meetings, and client data directly into your CRM so you can track and manage everything in one place. First, sign into your account and go to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, open the Integrations or App Marketplace section from the left-hand menu. Now search for your CRM system. This could be HubSpot, Salesforce, Zoho CRM, Pipedrive, or another supported platform. Click on your CRM and select Connect. You will be redirected to your CRM login page. Sign in to your CRM account and authorize Calendly to access and send data. Once the connection is complete, return to Calendly. Now go to Event Types and select the event you want to track in your CRM. Open the event settings and look for the Integrations or Workflows section. Here you can choose what data to send to your CRM when someone books an event. Typically, you can sync details such as name, email, phone number, event type, meeting time. Next, configure how the lead should be created in your CRM. For example, you can automatically create a new contact, add a deal, or update an existing lead when someone schedules a meeting. After that, map the fields between Calendly and your CRM to ensure data is sent correctly. Once everything is set, click Save or Activate Integration. Now, every time someone books an appointment, their information will automatically appear in your CRM system. Before finishing, test the integration by booking a sample event and confirming that the lead appears correctly in your CRM dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully synced Calendly with your CRM system and automated your lead tracking process. And that's how you sync Calendly with CRM systems.